Cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses are obtained from plants. These are the major food for humans. We cultivate plants to get them. Food from plants. Cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, oil, tea, sugar. Plants provide. In some plants, the root is edible, while in others, it is the stem. Fruit, flower, or leaves. Herbivores. Animals which eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Carnivores. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. They have very sharp teeth. Lion, hyena, tiger, crocodile, polar bear, fox, etc. are some examples. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Joints. The point where two bones meet. Joints allow movement to take place. Bones are held together by ligaments. Ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joints permit a circular movement. Example, the shoulder joint. Fixed joints. Skull. The skull is made up of many bones joined together. Bones. Babies have over 300 bones, but many fuse together as they grow, so adults have just 206. Cartilage. Some additional parts of the skeleton that are not as hard as the bones, and which can be bent. These are called cartilage. Habitat. The place where organisms live is called habitat. The habitat provides food, water, air, shelter and other needs to organisms. Terrestrial habitats. The plants and animals that live on land are said to live in terrestrial habitats. Adaptation of camel. Camels have special adaptations to cope with the heat and shortage of water. Mode of transport. We use different modes of transport. We use vehicles with wheels to travel on land. Bus, car, bike, bicycle, cart, etc. are some of that. Using handspan to measure. When we use handspan to measure a table, one handspan is considered as 1 unit. Simple pendulum, the type of motion in which an object repeats its motion after some time, is called periodic motion. Electric bulb. Light bulbs have a very simple structure. The thin wire that gives off light is called the filament. The filament is fixed to two thicker wires. One of these thick wire is, the other thick wire is, connected to the metal tip at the center of the base in torch bulb. The glass bulb is filled with a low-pressure inert gas. Conductors and insulators, materials that allow an electric current to flow through them or conduct Water cycle. Water evaporates from all water bodies. Transpiration. Water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor through small pores called stomata. This process is called transpiration. Whole numbers. The natural numbers, together with 0, are known as whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. up to infinity. Point, line, line segment and ray. A point is a small mark that has position, but no magnitude. It is represented by a small dot and denoted by a capital letter like point A. A line is a straight path that polygons. A simple closed figure, formed by line segment, is called a polygon. Algebra. Algebra is the use of letters or alphabets to represent numbers. The letter can represent any number and not just a particular number. Letters may stand for unknown quantities. Solution of an equation, solve 2x plus solution. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are words used for a particular person, place or a thing. Formation of simple present tense. Affirmative form, subject plus verb plus complement. I speak English. Antonym. Antonyms are two words that have opposite meanings. Ms, dis, smell, in, and, ane, all prefixes one can affix to words to create antonyms. Examples. Official becomes unofficial. Flexible becomes inflexible. Adroit becomes maladroit. Functional becomes dysfunctional. Philanthropist becomes misanthropist.